about 10 to 12 minutes. It comes out.
This is my dad's and I's favorite dish. This is called Pani Puri. Here, my dad is submerging the disc, which is the puri, and you just move it around very lightly in the oil until it puffs up like a ball. And then you take it out and you stick it onto your mat. This is where it'll just sit while you do the rest of them. And then you repeat. Push it down lightly into the oil. And then submerge a little bit more, move it around, let it puff up. It's best to wait a little bit longer for it to change a color, like a tan color. And then that's when you know it's like done. So you can see he's lightly moving it around. And then you take it out and stick it on the mat. And then there's this box here. You can see the ingredients in the box. Okay. This is what you put in the water. This one's in the air fryer, just testing. Air fryer Pani Puri. Testing. Sad Pani Puris. Good shape ones.
Just more and we're done.
Alright. So, those are whole. And then you get a little bit of some chickpeas. Chickpeas in there.
Yeah.
These are super, super tiny. There.
Nope, doesn't work.
Didn't work. And then you get some. You get some of your juice. This is your pani. Put it inside, like so.
This is how you do it. Like, take your finger.
Oh, that's a spoon.
This is too hard. It shouldn't be that hard.
I tried, so I hit it with the thing. Cheers.
Now you put
Put the chickpeas in.
peas in, and then you put a little bit of pani in it, and then you can have it.
You pop it in your mouth. See?
Like that. Add. Usually they also add some chopped onions into it. You know. And then you add
Some
that.
cilantro.
When they do it, they have chopped onions in there, they make it more or less like a salsa thing. Yeah.
No, now you gotta put it in your mouth.
Now you can just. There's something missing in there, so it needs to. You just take it and
Salt.